What if I can't afford to pay my Maine sales tax? Maine Revenue Services. The information in this video is intended solely as advice to assist persons in determining and complying with their obligations. It is written in a relatively informal style and is intended to provide an overview of Maine tax law. See laws and rules on the MRS website at www.maine.gov/revenue. Taxpayers are responsible for complying with all applicable tax statutes and rules. Videos do not have the same legal force and effect as laws or rules. Maine businesses who sell taxable products are required to collect tax from the consumer and pay that money over to the state. Sales tax is a trust fund tax. Sales tax collected from the consumer is held in trust by the business owner on behalf of the state of Maine. Collected sales tax money does not belong to the business owner. The money cannot be used to pay for any other business purpose. Businesses must remain in compliance with the sales tax laws to continue operating in the state of Maine. What happens when you prepare your Maine sales tax return and realize you don't have the money to pay the tax? You should still file the return. Ignoring a required tax return always makes a difficult situation worse. Even if you cannot afford to pay the tax immediately, you should still file your return by the due date and pay what you can. Maine law imposes penalties and interest for late filing or late payment of your taxes. It is always best to pay even a small portion of the balance at the time of filing, because any amount you pay will help reduce interest and penalties. Contact MRS right away at 207-624-9595 to discuss your options. Our courteous and professional agents are here to help you stay in compliance with your tax obligations. A business that continues to accumulate liability and does not remain in compliance with Maine sales tax laws may have its ability to sell products in Maine revoked. It may be possible to set up a payment plan for the unpaid sales tax. All future returns must be filed and paid on time. Once you have worked with MRS to set up a payment plan, you may choose from several payment options. Use the online EasyPay system to make payments directly from a checking account. Make credit card or debit card payments over the phone by calling 207-624-9595. Mail payments by check to MRS. Again, the number to call for payment plan arrangements is 207-624-9595. Some payment plans require the taxpayer to complete a personal financial statement. This helps determine the terms and length of a payment plan. Generally, MRS may only speak directly with the taxpayer due to state and federal confidentiality laws. If you would like to have someone speak with MRS on your behalf, a Power of Attorney form, or POA form, Form 2848ME, will give MRS permission to discuss confidential tax information with your representative. Personal financial statement and Power of Attorney forms are available at www.maine.gov/revenue. You will also find other helpful information on our website. Keep in contact with MRS. One of the most important things you can do as a taxpayer is to remain in contact with MRS about your tax situation. Immediately notify MRS of any changes to your phone number, mailing address, or email address. Working together, MRS can assist with your tax situation. Don't wait. Call MRS at 207-624-9595.